Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I thought I would do a huge blogger mail unboxing. I know you guys like these videos. I get quite a lot of requests on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm going to leave both of my Instagram and Snapchat over here so you can go add me on there, because I do share a few things if I go to the post office straight away, but these videos are more about talking about the products after I've used them and recommending all my favourite ones. I only include things in this video that I have used and really love. Like, I have been sent things that I don't like and then I end up not reviewing because I don't see the point in sharing things with you guys that you won't like, unless something really bad has happened, and then I will share it with you so you don't end up making the same mistake as me. These products are from big and small companies. I just like giving shout outs to smaller independent stores for some well-deserved recognition, and yeah, just sharing lots of companies with you guys that you might seem to like as well. If I have any discount codes, then I will drop them down below. And yeah, let's get on with the video because I have quite a lot of things that I've received in January. I think I'm going to try and do these monthly. Right, so starting with beauty, I'm going to try and categorise these as much as possible. So starting with beauty, I received a few items from KLM Beauty, which are a website that sell products from a variety of brands all across the world. They sent me over 2 products from the Australian body care range. So I have this Anytime Balm, which can be used anywhere on the body, so face, lips, part of your skin, literally anywhere. So I've been using this particularly on my lips, as my lips have been very dry, and I'm going to try this on my cuticles because I've read a few reviews and lots of people said this is really good for nails and helping them grow. So yeah, I need to grow my nails. Sorry about the awfully polished nails, by the way, but yeah, I think I'm going to try use this on my cuticles and see if it makes a difference as well. But yeah, this is really good for chapped lips and I'm loving it so far, and there is so much product in here. This will last me ages if I just use it on my lips. Another product from Australian Body Care is this tea tree oil, and again, I've been using this a lot as I have really dry and dehydrated skin. I will drop this onto a cotton pad and apply it to my face. It's literally an oil. Yeah, it's in just like a little tiny bottle, and it's really good for helping with my dry skin. I haven't been using it for very long, so I can't say anything significant, but it really makes my skin feel nice and hydrated before I go to sleep, and also when I wake up in the morning I can see a difference in my skin. It's not so like dry and flaky. So yeah, that's another product that I got from KLM Beauty. And then the final product they sent me over is from Billion Dollar Brows. So this is a brand that I've heard of over the past couple of years, and I've seen a few people try it, but I've never tried it out myself. And this is the Hint of Tin brow gel, and I've literally just run out of my Benefit Gimme Brow, so I've been starting to use this, and this again is perfect. You just pop this in. Because I have such sparse brows, I do have to fill my eyebrows in, but I always set them in place with a gel, and this has taken place of Gimme Brow whilst I haven't got it, and it works exactly the same. It keeps all my brow hairs in place, and I don't know, I think this is in the darkest shade. It does look really light when you first apply it, but this is really good for dark brows. So the product is specifically for people who want to just add a little bit of colour to their brows, but I just use this to help set them. Okay, so the other beauty products that I have been sent are from Feather and Down, which are a company that specialise in products to help you sleep, relax, be calm. They have sent me 2 products to give away. I'm currently running a giveaway on my blog, so go over there and check it out if you haven't already. I'm going to leave all the links down below to posts that I've written about these things I'm talking about, whether I've written them or not, or if not, just the website, so you can go check out all the products yourselves. So if you want to win this calming candle and this soothing body oil, then make sure to check them out. I have used other products from them before, so I've got their sleeping balm, their sleeping spray, and their shower cream, and all of them are so beautiful. They're all lavender and chamomile scented because they're like scents that are specifically linked with sleeping and relaxing. So yeah, they all smell so good. Like, I love applying the balm to my temples before I go to bed, and the sleeping mist is really nice and calming. But yeah, these are what I'm giving away, so make sure to head over to my blog if you do want to win some of these. And then the final beauty product that I'm moving on to is from Help Me Organics. This is their Help Me It's Way Past My Bedtime Unbelievably Dreamy Massage Oil, and I have been loving this. I haven't had a massage oil in my life. This oil contains eucalyptus, ginger, lavender and melissa. I'm not really sure what that is, but yeah, again, the scent is really beautiful, and it comes in like a really luxurious glass bottle with a pipette. And yeah, I just apply this usually just on the top half of my skin and on my legs because my skin is really dry. I really love this when I treat myself to a pamper evening at uni, as I don't have a bath, so I can't like have a nice relax in the bath. I just have to have a shower, so applying this after my shower is always really nice and relaxing. I have been getting quite a lot of use out of this over the past few weeks because I was very stressed after exams. I think I'm going to be doing an evening routine an evening pamper routine on this channel very, very soon, so look out for this if you want to see how I apply this and use it. Moving on to a little bit of fashion, so I have 3 items from the wonderful Love and Bart. Their products came in the cutest packaging. I love grey. Grey is one of my favourite colours. Inside here we have, oh, the earrings I'm wearing are actually from Love and Bart. So I have these double starred earrings, which I think are gorgeous. As you know, I have this huge obsession with unique, innovative, like earring designs. I love tassels and big statement earrings. So these like double chained stars. I said that in my vlog the other day as well. They are so cute and I just love the look of them, especially with this like beige outfit. They also sent me this really long golden necklace and it has really big coin on the end. I think this is really gorgeous, especially in the evenings if I have like a low cut style dress or top. I think this is going to look beautiful with that. I'm going to probably style this in the coming months, maybe for a Valentine's Day look. I think it would just look really pretty if I have like a really open low cut bodysuit or something. So yeah, I really love this and I think it's such like a beautiful piece. It's simple but it's still statement. Finally, they sent me this adorable bracelet with loads of coloured tassels on. This is my favourite thing ever because I love tassels and I really like the like colour combination with the mustard, dark blues and neutral colours, and it goes perfectly with my little gold bracelet from Coconut Lane. Then moving on to the more miscellaneous items, some very random things. So first is for my upcoming Valentine's collaborations. I have already posted 1, possibly 2 by the time this video goes up, but the wonderful Prestige Flowers sent me over a gorgeous luxury bouquet with loads of like rose gold, copper leaves in, and I just really like the presentation. I bought this vase from Wilko the other day. It was only £4, such a bargain. And they also sent me over with the luxury flowers a box of chocolates, which I have half eaten already, and a cute little teddy bear, which is adorable. I just think this is a lovely Valentine's Day gift if you are looking to buy someone something cute or some flowers. They are a very reliable company and have loads of different packages that you can buy and so many different flower arrangements. I just really love the one that they chose. I think the rose gold leaves complement the red roses so well, and yeah, I just really like them. Then next, from Shake and Udder. Shake and Udder sent me so many milkshakes. I was so happy. I had 2 of every flavour, so there was like vanilla, salted caramel, chocolate, banana, strawberry, just loads of different ones, and this, I've just picked one of these out of the fridge just to show you. This is the vanilla shake and they are delicious. Like, I love them so much. I'm so happy with them and I'm definitely going to purchase them more very soon. They taste amazing. So just read out some of the features. So they're suitable for vegetarians, less than 5% added sugar, B12 for natural immunity support, gluten-free. Honestly, these are so yummy, especially as like a snack or a dessert after I finish dinner. I've been drinking these all the time. But the banana one is definitely my favourite, though. I love banana milkshake. So again, I have worked with Printiki for Valentine's Day and I got to choose out some more prints. As you can see, I'm obsessed with the Printiki prints. They are all over my pin board, but they've just come out with new colours and shapes, so you can design your photos how you want them. And I got this really cute photo of me and my boyfriend from when he came up to Lincoln in this like cute little pink coloured frame and in a heart design. I just thought it was really cute for Valentine's Day and it's such a good idea and it's really affordable, especially for those at university like myself. I have also been sent a subscription box this month from Betty Box. This is a period subscription box for girls. I'm not sure if my unboxing will have been up by the time this is up, but if not, then go check out Betty Box. I'll link down my video below if I have already uploaded it, but you will see very soon, if not, what's inside here, as there are so many incredible things and it's so good. It's such a nice treat for girls at their time of the month, especially if they suffer a lot like I do. I am in so much pain and my hormones are everywhere when it's my time of the month, so this is incredible if you are looking for something to treat yourself. And it's also a nice gift idea if like your girlfriend or friend suffers with bad periods, then this is such a cute gift idea. Herbalife got in contact with me again. I think last month they sent me some of their protein powder and then their milkshake powder, and now they've sent over their carbohydrate electrolyte drink mix powder. I actually really like this. I was quite skeptical as they're like little powder sachets, and they also sent me a bottle which I think is in the kitchen. I should have probably bought that. They sent me a really nice like sports bottle. I've been having these every time I go out for a run or do any exercise at uni. They are so energizing, and the flavour is acai berry and I really like it. It's really diluted. I thought it was going to be overpowering, but it's super yummy, and yeah, I really like these. So thank you Herbalife for sending them over. And then the final things I've received this month are something that I've decided to get into a lot more, and that is book blogging. I wanted to get back into reading so bad. I used to love reading so much, but I've never had the time, and I've just never fit in the time to read where I could in the evenings instead of watching like YouTube constantly. So I have been sent quite a few books to blog about. I've been doing these things called blog book tours. They might not have actually come up on my blog yet, but they are coming up very soon. I've read one of the books already. So I've read Ivon, which is insane. I didn't think I would like this book as much as I did, as it is a dystopian novel, and I've never really got into that sort of thing, but this is sort of science and sports based, and it's a dystopian. It's set in 2144, and it follows the lives of Dusty and Ivon. Ivon is a Welshman that comes over to the English border who's good at all sports, and England like powers the country through sporting activities, and the more fit you are, the higher class you are. It's really interesting and very, very different, and I didn't think I would like it as much as I did. So yeah, I've loved this, and I'm not sure if my review will be up by the time this is, but if not, it's up on 3rd of February. So go over to my blog and check this out if you want to hear a little bit more about this book. I have also just started The Intruder, which I'm loving again. The blurb says, he has the key to hundreds of houses. William Hemming is an estate agent. He keeps a copy of every key to every house he's sold. Sometimes he visits them and lets himself in when the owners are out. And this is my sort of thing. It's like sort of crimey, a little bit mysterious, and yeah, I've only just started this, but I really like where it's going so far. So yeah, I've been sent The Intruder to review. For blog book tours, I get given a date where I have to upload my review by, so I have to read it. So I'm kind of like forced to read it, which makes me so excited because it's actually like I have to read it to upload it on my designated day. So it's getting me reading, and I'm just loving it, and it's inspiring me to read my other books that I don't have to blog about, but I will anyway. And then another book that I'm reviewing at the end of February that I haven't started yet is called Something Changed, and this is more about love, breakdown, divorce, depression. So again, very different to the other two books, and again, I'm excited to read this and have a little bit of a cry maybe. I feel like it's a bit of a novel where you cry a little bit. And then the final book that I've received is called Daisy Chain. It says 5 lives, 2 decades apart, 1 crime, and this is to do with house parties, crime, following the lives of 5 people, lots of secrets, and university life. So yeah, all of the 4 books that I've been sent are very different, and I'm really excited to get into them and review them on my blog. So stick around if you want to see any of those. You can go onto my blog and subscribe by entering your email address in the sidebar. That's how you know whenever I post, you get a nice little email. But yeah, that's all the things I have been sent in January. Let me know if you want to see a February edition and want me to do this on a monthly basis, because I'm very happy to do so. A lot of people do really enjoy watching these videos. I know I love watching them because I love to see what other fellow bloggers get sent every month. Hit the thumbs up if you did enjoy, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new video. Bye!